Okay, good day. This is Business Plus. Just a quick one now. I'll be showing how you can enter a trade with a sniping entry, and probably we'll start viewing what exactly the trend is showing us from um M1. You can see for boom 1000 index we have an uptrend on M1 just within this short time frame, and on M5 um we also have an uptrend, which is this. Okay, we also have an uptrend. Now let's go back, let's go to another higher time frame. On 15 we have an uptrend too on 15. So this is just telling us that boom 1000 index is buying, right? But if you notice on M5 we did not see much consolidation here, but when you get to M15 you will see consolidation. What I mean by consolidation is the price is ranging within this point here. You can see the price is ranging, so this is the ranging area. Okay, so it's just going up and down, going up and down within this zone. So now on M15 is ranging, and you have to note this area. Let me remove this. Now you have to note this area. You have to note this area. Now that will be the support, and also let's note this area. That's on M15, right? So now what we do next is let's go to another higher time frame, which is M30, M30. You can see we're still able to mark out the zone. Now let me zoom out. Okay, we're still able to mark out the zone. You can see clearly that it's ranging at that point too. Okay, now what we are now trying to do now is I want us to note the movement. We have one, we have two here, we have three, four, five, six. Then it came down. This is the seventh one, but it's very far, which means that it went through this support here. So now we have our 8 above 2. Then this is the 9th area. Then we are having the 10th area, which means it has reached the resistance at the top. It has reached the resistance at the top. So the line below is the support, and this one here is the resistance. Okay, now it has reached resistance at the top, which means that it's now selling. Definitely our anticipation will be that it will come down to this point, making our point 11. Okay, so now if we want to make our decision now, it will not be too good for us to make our decision on M30 if the highest time frame we'll be using will be M30. Now what we do now is we go back to lower time frame to execute our trade. Do your analysis on higher time frame. Now if you're okay with everything that you saw, then go back to lower time frame to enter your trade. So that kind of entry is what we call sniping entry. So when you're having a sniping entry, after you've done your analysis on higher time frame, the sniping entry, you go back to lower time frame to give it a sniping entry, and the sniping entry will help you and we help your trade to come in profit on time. So that's the strategy. Let me repeat. You do analysis on higher time frame depending on how long you want to stay in the market, and also if you want to enter your trade, you want to open a position, you have to go to lower time frame to make your final decision. But one thing is you must make sure that if your higher time frame is saying buy or sell, then your lower time frame would also be telling you to sell.